Well, copper thieves are also cashing in at construction sites across the metro, and it's costing home builders thousands of dollars. But Fox 25's Lisa Monahan shows us how some are cutting down on the copper criminals.
They've stripped it from walls, carted it off on spools, and in most cases go to all lengths to get it.
There's a big problem with copper being stolen out of houses. Huge problem with people just breaking into the house, stealing the copper right out of the walls.
For thieves, copper is golden, especially at a construction site.
They're pretty bold. They'll steal enough wire that it'll cost us $3,000 to replace, but they'll get maybe $50 at the recyclers.
George Schott is a home builder and a victim of the crime.
They had clipped every wire going into the main electrical box within the house. They stripped probably half of the wire out before they were chased off. But since they clipped everything at the main box, we had to basically rewire the entire house.
But if the crooks decide to clip a wire in this house, they may be alarmed.
Because Jesse and Chris Smith are taking matters into their own hands with what they're calling the Copper Keeper.
Our system is set up to where if you cut one wire anywhere in this house, that the alarm sounds, and that hopefully would deter them from cutting any more wires, and it would keep the cost of the builder from having to spend a couple $1,000s to maybe $100 or $200.
The system also has a cell phone callback, so if someone tries to cut the copper, it wires an alarm straight to an emergency number.
Hopefully the first wire they cut would save that couple $1,000s.
We can't show you the device because they don't want criminals to know what to look for. The Copper Keeper is still in the trial phase, but home builders like George hope the new system will deter people from copying their copper. Lisa Monahan, Fox 25 News.
The penalty for stealing copper is anywhere from 1 to 5 years.